Hey, what's up, guys? This is Austin from Bryant Drums, checking back in with another episode of Warm Up Wednesday. So this is a 5-minute routine. We're gonna do 5 different exercises. Each one will be 1 minute. At the 1 minute mark, we're gonna slide our accent over. First measure has 0 accents, then 1 accent, and then we move it 1/16th note every minute. So this is gonna be an inverted paradiddle, right, right, left, right, right, left. This exercise is great for building speed, endurance, and your vocabulary. It just gets your hands feeling great. If this is a little fast at first, feel free to just print the PDF out, try that, work on it by yourself, and speed it up, and then put it together with the video once you're comfortable with it. If this is easy for you, you can try the video multiple times or do it in succession with another Warm Up Wednesday video. I like to do this before I hit the studio, before a show, before a practice session, before I jam with people. 5 minutes structured. I can't look at my phone. I am just doing my exercise. So guys, without further ado, this is BPM 100. I'm gonna throw in some jams and let's get this started. Here we go. No accents, just really even. Hands by your side. Really good one just to practice breathing. Sit up straight. All right, halfway done with this one. I'm gonna add an accent on the downbeat. 10 seconds. Again, don't forget to breathe. Exaggerate that accent a little bit. Try to get the others really quiet. Try to get that pad to sound good too. Think of it as an instrument. Get the best sound out of it as possible. The more relaxed, the better. All right, over halfway with this one. 15. We're gonna slide our accent to the E. And that one sucks. One, two, here we go. Breathe. Relax. Halfway. Switch there. Ooh, that one was hard. Talking while you play is so challenging. This one's gonna be on the hands, right? You can stress that accent if you want. Keep the others really close to your pad, nice and quiet. I think the music helps. Keep it chill. Good vibe. Halfway through this one, then we only have one more. Oh yeah, feels good. Get those hands nice and relaxed, limber. Do this 2 or 3 times before you play, and you'll be ready to go. 10 seconds left. We're going to the alto, a tricky one. 1, 2, here we go. Breathe. Breathe again. Relax. That Pop those axes out. Nice and relaxed. Halfway. Great job. So working through that, you could try that 1, 2, 3 times before you dive into your recording or your gig. It's 5 minutes. I like structure. 5 minutes and you're done. I like doing it with the video or music because you can't get distracted by your iPad, your phone, someone calling, someone walking by. You're clearly doing something. So give these a try. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear if you did it better than I did. Make sure to say it below. You can do this in succession with the other videos, like I said as well. Guys, I hope you enjoy this because I enjoy playing them. They're fun for me and it gets me moving my hands before I play. So I will catch you all next time. Happy Wednesday. I'll see you in 2 weeks. Peace.